All right, everyone. So today we're going on a bit of a back road country style drive, kind of like a POV style of drive. Don't really know much about it, never been on this road before, but we're going with a local Mustang group, meeting up with James over at QT. It's about a half hour south of here. And then from there, we're taking the first leg of the trip. The total time for this drive is gonna take up about 5 hours. Unfortunately, I can't be there for the entire drive. That's just, we got a lot going on. It's gonna take up the whole day. But the first leg of this should be a lot of fun. It's a lot of back roads. Yeah, so anyway, we're gonna go meet up with James, gas up the GT, and then be on our way. Then secondly, if you guys can do me a favor, if you guys are watching and you're not subscribed and you like the content that you see, please do me a favor and consider hitting subscribe and hitting the notification bell so you guys are updated every time I post a video. And also, the best way that you can support myself and the channel is by clicking the link in the description and picking yourself up a Trigger Society shirt. A $25 shirt actually goes a long way to help out myself and the channel. What's up, Sally? How you doing?
Fucking traffic, dude.
Dude, yeah.
Of course, I have to do like 90 the whole way.
Oh, that helps.
Weaving in and out. I was like, man, driving like an asshole.
So, we're gonna be hanging out here for probably 20 minutes. I think they said they're expecting maybe 25 cars.
Yeah.
So we should get a good turnout here. So, hanging out, and then from here, is it a lot of back roads, you think? Or what is it, like, or the highway?
I think the first leg is mostly highway.
Either way, should be fun. Make sure you just sniff it. Don't touch it. All right, so let's see what we got. We got a Mach 1. You don't really see it a lot in this color, so that's... I'm still kind of iffy about the color. It looks good, but I haven't seen one on a Mach 1, and that doesn't look half bad. GT Mach 1. The only grabber blue. The one and only. This 500 though. This. It's got the comfy seats.
Which weapon did you bring in today?
Soon. I love the white. Love the white. Got fighter jet gray Mach 1. Come on, really? Douche. You couldn't ask for a better day. I think today is officially the first day of fall. And we're gonna have a high of about 98 degrees. Good old Texas, gotta love it. But we have, I wanna say right around 15 cars, maybe more. I know a few other cars pulled in after I walked through the line of cars and I was pointing out all the cars that we had. We have 3 Mach 1s, 2 in the fighter jet gray like this guy right here. James is in front of him. The GT500. We have a Cobra, like an AC Cobra kit car. I don't know exactly the spec of it, but it's cool to see something like that out with us also as well. So I believe the first leg of this, it's like a classic Ford museum, I think. I don't really know a whole lot about it. I just know that's the first leg of where we're going. Should have a lot of classic one-off type of Fords. Now, what kind of cars it's gonna have, I don't have any clue. But then from there, we got a little bit of a drive from there to the spot we're gonna go get some lunch. So either way, it's a good day for a drive. He's got earphones on because it's so freaking loud. Look at that. I was just saying, you got your earplugs on. Is it loud? Yeah, I bet. That's funny, man. That's funny. Okay, we are here at the Blue Oval Car Barn. This is kind of like the halfway point of our drive. So this is the guy, this is his personal collection. The majority of what he has is 70, 71, Boss 302s and Mach 1s. He does have some Shelby 67, 68s, and that's over in the other room, so hopefully we'll take a look at that stuff too. But he was telling us this right here is the rarest Mustang ever produced. 71 Ford Mustang 429 Cobra Jet. This guy right here. So that's pretty insane for that right there. He's got a GT350 68, I believe I want to say. He's quite the collection of what he has. Grabber blue, gotta love the grabber blue. Both These, that's a Boss 429 302. So I'm gonna go take a look at the rest of his collection, maybe see the GT500s, and go get some lunch. One quick thing I wanted to point out is he gets a lot of like cars that are like a barn find. He had a car that had a tree growing through the engine bay, so he buys cars that are completely just left for dead, and he completely restores them from the ground up. It takes him years and years and years to do so because he tries to find all the original parts that came on the car when the car was built in the factory, which is extremely hard to do, to find the original exactly how it came from the factory. So it takes him, he said, sometimes up to 15 years to completely restore a car from the ground up. So pretty insane. A lot of these are old barn finds, completely restored.
We found 4 cars.
67 GT500. You said you found this in Alabama?
Huh?
You said you found it in Alabama?
Enterprise, Alabama.
Okay. Obviously, it's not restored yet. This is all the original. Wow. That is cool. All right, so this is our full lineup that we got here on the drive. Opposite me, James, the one and only S197, hold it down, 21 GT500, 50, Mach 1, got the 350, the other fighter jet gray Mach 1 J's car. This is the guy I was behind the drive here. Nice 50, 50, and then you got the Cobra there on the end. That thing is loud. That thing was loud. All right, everyone. Well, that's gonna about conclude this one and wrap this one up. We just got done having some lunch. So this is my first time out in this area, and I have to say the scenery is it's pretty. There's a lot of nice back roads. So if you guys are watching this and you're not subscribed, please do me a favor. If you guys like the content, please hit subscribe, hit the notification bell. Also, the best way that you can support myself and the channel, like I said at the start of this, is click the link in the description and pick yourself up a Trigger Society shirt. It definitely helps and goes a long way. On that note, you guys have a good one, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya. Bye.